Drawing easy for kids.
Hello, my friends. Let's draw Baby Bluey. I start with her eyes. Then I draw her nose. And her smiling.
Join the animal crew.
Then I draw her nose. I draw her shape of her head. Now let's continue with her body. I draw her arm. Then I draw her pants. Then complete her arm. Then I draw her legs. And I draw her eyebrow. Then I draw her ears. Then I draw triangle-shaped ears. Then I draw her patches around.
In the jungle gym, the fun never ends. With all the animal friends, let's play pretend.
And I'm going to draw the ball.
Leap like a frog. In the sunny dance parade, there's fun for all to look. Stomp, stomp, stomp like an elephant. Big and brown. Flap, flap, flap like birds across the land. Swim, swim, swim like a fish in the sea. When the sun sets down and the stars appear, the animals whisper, we'll always be near. In dreams they dance in a magical way. In the town of Sunnydale we'll meet again another day.
In the town of barking country, where the stars are falling.
Let's start coloring with white color. Black color.
Jump, hop, wag, play in the bouncy pop parade. Learn, laugh, sing and sway.
Dark blue color.
Part to play. Jump, hop, wag, play in the bouncy pop parade. Learn, laugh, sing and sway. Every pup has a part to play. Who loves to explore and dream? Every day's a new fun game. Pirate ships or flying high. Imagination never says goodbye. Jump, hop, wag and play in the bouncy pop parade. Learn, laugh, sing and sway. Magic in each game they play. Together with her sister Bingo, they embarked on quest, no looking back. Mom and Dad joined the fun too.
Light blue color.
In a world where dreams come true. Sometimes they learn, sometimes they fall. But embarking to love conquers all. Lessons learned and friendships made in the heart-worn and bouncy pop parade. Jump, hop, wag and play in the bouncy
Yellow
pop
ochre.
parade. Learn, laugh, sing and sway. Magic in each game they play. So let's cheer for Lulu and her crew in their adventures old and new. Join the parade, don't be afraid, where joy and laughter never fade.
Time is sunny there, every day's a day.
Black color.
It's all night, it's an animal parade.
Red color.
Hop like a kangaroo, swing like monkeys do. In the town of Sunny
Blue color.
join the animal crew. Stomp, stomp, stomp like an elephant, big and brown. Flap, flap, flap like birds across the land. Swim, swim, swim like a fish in the sea. In the animal parade, be whatever you want to be. See the giraffes, necks so high, reaching for the sky. Tiny heads marching a line, carry leaves so high. Dance with the zebras, the stripes are black and white. In the town
Red
of
color.
Sunnydale, it's a wild, wonderful sight. Stomp, stomp, stomp like an elephant, big and brown. Flap, flap, flap like birds across the land. Swim, swim, swim like a fish in the sea. In the animal
Look, how cute is Baby Bluey?
Stomp, stomp, stomp like an elephant, big and brown.
Green color.
Flap like birds across.
Red color.
Swim, swim, swim like a fish in the sea. In the animal parade, be whatever you want to be.
Yellow color.
In the jungle gym, the fun never ends. With all the animal friends, let's play pretend. Climb like a leopard, leap like a frog. In the sunny dance parade, there's fun for all to love. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Blue color.
Big and brown. Flap, flap, flap like
We are almost done.
the land. Swim, swim, swim like a fish in the sea. In the animal parade, be whatever you want to be. When the sun sets down and the
Green.
sun's clear, the animals whisper, we'll always be near. In dreams they dance in a magical way. In the town of
Orange
Sunnydale,
color.
we begin another day.
In the town of Barkington Bay, where the sun's
Jade blue color.
shining all day, lives a pup named Blue.
The last one yellow color.
Coat of blue and her oh so true.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.